Good evening, everybody. I talk about with the topic corresponding of the week 4. The following topic is about of the consonant sounds. I try to give you some examples of the pronunciation and the sounds of the consonant sounds. Is 10 examples. I have to give you some examples. I started with the first of the list. I start. The consonant is P. Example: pet and map. Manner of articulation is stop it. The place of articulation is bilabial, and voicing. The type of the voicing is voiceless, and voice. The second example is T. Example of the word is tea and getting. Getting have twice the same letter. The manner of articulation is stop. Place of articulation corresponding alveolar, and voices is voiceless. The other example is D. Example of the word is did and lady. Did and lady. Manner of articulation is stop. Place of articulation corresponding alveolar. The type of the voice is voiced. Other example. The consonant is cat. K is k. The example is cat and back. Cat and back. The consonant letter is C. The manner of articulation is stop. The type of the place of articulation is velar, and the voicing is voiceless. Other example is the consonant with the letter B. The example is voice. The manner of articulation is fricates. E, and of the place of articulation is labiodental, the teeth and the mouth, and the type of the voices is voiced. Other example: the consonant is theta. Example of the word is think and bot. The manner of articulation is fricates. The place of articulation is interdental. Is the same fricatives. And the classification voices is voiceless and voice. The check. Other example is how, hello. The consonant letter is H. The manner of articulation is fricates. The place of articulation is glottal in the neck. The glottal. The type of voicing is voiceless. Other example is the consonant ch, cha. The example of the words is check and church. Manner of articulation is supplicate. The place of articulation is alveopalatal. Is ubicated in the larynx, and the type of voicing is voiceless. That is all. These some examples I share with you. I wait to understand and explain on this topic on this week. Bye.